Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to close your bag using the looping method, but make sure to watch until the end, because I'm going to show you a decrease method trick to fix your fishing line if one side gets too short. It is a lifesaver. Pass your fishing line through these two beads. Add 2 beads to the right fishing line and loop with the second bead. Pull well to hide your loop. This will make your work firm and neat. Now pass your fishing line through the next bead and add 2 beads and loop with the second bead. Continue beading this way. When you reach the corner bead, pass your line through 2 beads, then switch to 1 bead instead of 2 to keep the shape balanced. Pass your fishing line through the next bead and add 2 beads and loop with the second bead. Continue this bead weaving pattern until you reach the top of the bag. Whenever you get to the corner, use only 1 bead, then continue with 2 beads. This is the method I mentioned earlier. Watch closely so you don't miss it. When your fishing line becomes short or uneven like this, make sure your fishing line is in the next bead before starting the decrease method. Add 2 beads to the longer fishing line and pass it back into the bead with the short fishing line. Please watch it carefully so you can also do it the same way when one line is longer, and you can use this method when you don't want to cross your fishing line or loop it. This method also works well. Now, pass your fishing line through the beads to secure them. Before we move on, let me quickly show you how to shape the sides for a cleaner finish. Pass your fishing line through the second bead, and on that same line add 1 bead. Pass that same fishing line into the last but 1 bead and pull. Gently push the sides inward like this, then use your thread to tighten slightly. This helps reduce the width and gives the bag a neater shape. Loop it with 1 bead. This small step makes a big difference in how your bag looks at the end. Pass your fishing line through the beads and cut the excess. If you found this satisfying, as I did, smash the like button and subscribe. And share for more beaded bags and beaded accessories and DIY tutorials. The handle is what really brings everything together. I'll show you that in the next video.